So this is our new test vehicle. This has been our test vehicle for years on a number of different projects. Ron Sutton at Delta Breeze Marine is loaning us his 2003 Ram 2500. So we're going to demonstrate how to apply our new easy, fast application of our true ceramic coating. Now what we're going to do is, of course, we just washed the truck, and we're also going to clay. I'm just going to do half of the hood, right? So we're going to do half of the hood. We're going to clean it up. You should clay it so that, because whatever's on the paint is going to stay on the paint once you put the ceramic coating on it, right? So whatever you don't want to seal in, get it off the paint, and then we'll go through the sealing process. But we're also going to show you that this is a high temperature product. This is we're in Sacramento. It's going to be about 88 degrees today. The paint's going to be a lot hotter, and I'll show you exactly what that is. But you can put it on a hot surface, and that's what we're going to do. We're out in the hot daylight, about noon here in Sacramento, and the paint's going to be hot. So I've got my IR gun here. We're going to check the temperature. But real quick, we've been playing around with a lot of different products. As you know, you might know me from Best Line Lubricants and RacingAdditives.com. We sell a lot of lubricants. It's an amazing product. This product here is super trending because the detailers have been getting, over $1,000 to put a ceramic coating on your car or motorcycle. It's fast and easy, and I'm going to show you here how. So we've got a hot vehicle, and this is the only product that we know of right now because we just developed it, been working on it for a long time. So it's going to be a lot like, the application's going to be a lot like what you're used to with a wax, right? But it's not a wax, it's a ceramic coating. It's truly a ceramic coating. That's why the name TrueCeramicCoating.com. Anyhow, we're going to apply this. I'm going to show you right now how to do it. And right now I'm going to show you how hot that surface really is. So hang on. So right now you can see we're 135 degrees, 136, and climbing. Right? So it's a hot freaking surface on a nice hot day here in Sacramento, California. Bright, sunny. And we're going to apply this right now. You're going to see what the effect is and how easy it is to actually apply. So the other thing you want to make sure of is that you're going to apply it, you're going to spray the product on and wipe it in with a microfiber towel or a sponge, and then use a brand new clean microfiber towel to wipe it off, because whatever's in that ceramic coating is going to stay in it, because it is a ceramic coating after all. It's not a wax that's going to get hot and melt off and you can wipe it off later. True ceramic coating, because it is a real ceramic coating, it takes about 12 hours to cure. So once we put it on, we're not going to touch it. We don't want to get water on it for 12 hours. Let it cure fully before you get water on the surface. Nice hot surface. So what you'll see, it's a nice mist, right? So we're going to spray it on. So you wipe it in, rub it in, make sure it's fully, on the surface, and then we're going to wait a few minutes and wipe it off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is as easy as it gets. So once you've sprayed it on and wiped it in, so now we're going to use our clean cloth and we're going to buff it smooth, right? You don't want any residue. So you don't want to see any residue, and just wipe it nice and clean. And now that's all it takes. So the difference between this and a wax is that this is going to last at least a year. The wax is going to get hot and melt off, right, and wipe off, and as you wash your car, the wax disappears. But now with this, it's going to stay on like that for a year or more. So that's the real difference between a true ceramic coating and a wax.